Hey guys, it's Jagger Productions here, back for another rain watch video. And yeah, the water's been tipped out again, but last night we got another 10 mils, and that's good. And I just hit 10 subscribers, actually 11 subscribers. Next target is 50 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so we got 10 mils, it's looking pretty good, some cows. But yeah, and we're supposed to get another 10 mils today. And this water here, it's still here. It's still flowing. Wow. We just keep constantly getting rain. But yeah, so that's gonna be today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.